Okay, so we're going to start with 1 cup of water, and we're going to pour just a little bit into something that I can mix in. And then I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of white flour, and I'm going to add that into here. I'm going to add this in, and I'm going to stir that up really good until it is trying to get it so that there is no lumps at all and that it is completely mixed in. Then I'm going to pour the rest of that water in a pan, and I'm going to boil it. And I'm going to kind of keep mixing this up while I'm doing that, so while I'm waiting for that to boil. Once that's boiling, then you are going to mix your mixture into here, and then turn off your burner. And you're going to mix this up, and you're going to be mixing for quite some time until it starts to get kind of thick. Once it gets to about this consistency, then you are going to take a tablespoon of sugar, and you're going to stir that into the mixture. And that's when it will start to look more like glue. You want to keep stirring the whole time that you're doing this. And then once it's to that consistency, you're going to just stop and let it completely cool before you use it. And this is how you make glue. So 1 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of white flour, and 1 tablespoon of sugar.